Hello, welcome viewers on Crypto Fuel. We are recording using crypto. Avalanche unlock more liquidity through Bitcoin. What's next? In this news, we are sharing important users topic. AVAX is finally showing a recovery sign after recently breaking tower short-term spot and almost is retesting its June low. A new Avalanche announcement might strengthen its potential upside by enabling more access to Bitcoin within the network. Here's AMBC crypto price prediction for AVAX. Avalanche recently announced that users can now bridge Bitcoin into the network through the core app. Access to Bitcoin as well as its utility within the Avalanche ecosystem were previously limited, especially due to low DeFi activity and lack of smart contracts. Bridge Bitcoin to Avalanche using a core app and unlock the possibilities with your BTS in the Avalanche DeFi ecosystem. Avalanche October 17 to 2022 unlocking more liquidity for Avalanche. One of the main advantages of the new bridge is that it will user in more liquidity in the form of Bitcoin. This means Avalanche might enjoy more volatility if it overcomes the previous limitations. Higher liquidity means more utility, which may in turn trigger higher volatility and volatility for AVAX. These characteristics are quite useful to AVAX traders and investors. In unfortunately, AVAX volatility has been on a downward trend for the last 4 weeks. These made it less attractive to traders, hence a drop in volume. Short mystery and increase in more liquidity and network use may boost AVAX volatility in the long term. As for the short term outlook, AVAX might be at the start of a bullish leaf. The news of the new bridge enabling BTC transfer into the Avalanche network might boost investor sentiment and trigger more upside. Shows sentiment, both the world sentiment and social dominance metrics experienced seriable upticks in the last 48 hours. This activity might be associated with the Bitcoin bridging news, and if that is the case, then the market response positively. AVX traded at $16.10 at press time, which was almost an 11% upside from its lowest price point last week. Shows a trending view. AVX pivot occurred after retesting June's spot level, although it managed to reverse considerably above the 2022 low. The price bounce also occurred right before it dipped into the risk oversold territory. The bullish bonus at the 5-month spot level confirmed that investors have been buying back at the same zone. Unfortunately, this also means investors are buying back near the perceived bottom. However, it is still too early to tell if AVAX is about to deliver a strong bullish short-term performance. The crypto market has been up significantly since the start of this week, and AVAX is among the coins that have enjoyed some upside. The overall market conditions have an impact on its ability to deliver a sustainable recovery. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.